discuss something about menopause. Recently, we have released a video again for menopause awareness. So, all of you know that October is Menopause Awareness Month. There's so much to know because menopause has become a very sensitive age for females, and we have started menopause clinic every month. So, people who are interested in menopause clinic, please go through our website, YouTube, do subscribe and take an appointment and do get assistance from us. So it happens last Saturday of every month. So do go through and come over for your help. So let's talk about what are menopausal symptoms. So how does menopause start? When do you call yourself to attain menopause? So usually there is something called as perimenopause, which happens 2 years before menopause happens, wherein the patient presents with irregular cycles or menorrhagia, that is excessive bleeding or less bleeding, where the patient comes over to doctor and presents with such symptoms. There may be associated weight gain, there may be associated hot flushes happening. So most commonly these are the ones which we face. There are few other genitourinary symptoms. There might be vaginal dryness, there might be recurrent urinary infections or increased frequency of urination. So any such symptoms, do visit the gynecologist. So when you're in the perimenopausal age, that is the time when you get to be screened for other symptoms of menopause. So usually we call it as menopause when there is no period happening for around 6 months after the age of 42 or 45 years. So that is when we tell you have attained menopause. There are menopause kits available which can show that you are into menopause. So when we screen for menopause, we do some hormones called as LH, FSH. They are all in higher levels if the menopause has occurred. If the menopause does not occur, it can come in normal levels, but usually you get to have a bleeding once in 2-3 months. So that is what is called perimenopause. So be aware of such things so that you don't miss out anything. There might be chances of white discharge as well, which needs to be screened by a gynecologist. If it is infectious, it has to be treated. So it's very important that don't succumb to your symptoms of menopause, because hot flushes are the ones which sometimes cannot make you work proper if you're working women, or even the household activities cannot be conducted. So these are ones which can be addressed in a very nice way, even with some supplements or some lifestyle modifications. There are some things called as HRT, that is hormonal replacement therapy, wherein when the scoring of menopause or the menopausal symptoms exceed, the doctor assesses, or the gynecologist, as gynecologist we assess, and we put you on hormonal replacement therapy, which changes your world over. So we will come over with some more detailed discussion with menopausal symptoms in another 2-3 weeks. So do watch and do subscribe our channel. Thank you.